Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record your screen on Lenovo Chromebook. So in order to do this, we'll need to press CTRL SHIFT and our Windows capture key. It's the key right here above R6. It's this one at the same time. So now let's try that like this. That way we'll enter the capture mode, and from here you'll be able to customize whether you want to take a screenshot or record a video. So click on this icon right here in order to record our video of the screen, of course, and here you can change some settings. So here's record full screen. That way you'll record your entire screen. And the next option is to crop image. You'll see something like this, and you'll be able to record only portion of the screen that you want, and you can crop it to whatever you actually want. Now this option right here is, let me press on that. This option right here highlights all the windows that you have open. So for example, if you want to record your Chrome and you have it enabled, simply click right now on the window that you want to record and it will start recording it. So now let's try recording our full screen. Click on the portion of the window that you want to record, and the recording will commence in 2, 1, and here it started recording. We can move around like this. Now in order to stop recording, click on this pause button. Here our video shows up. We can access it like this. So let's try that and see how it looks like. And that's how you record your screen on Lenovo Chromebook. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.